So in your syllabus is of two types, beta. The first one is known as of your KCL, or also known as junction law, which is based on law of conservation of charge. Next one is KVL or mesh law or loop law. It is based on the law of conservation of your energy.
Yes.
What is the Kirchhoff first law, beta? See here. If I'm talking about your KCL, KCL says that sum of all the incoming currents at any junction and outgoing currents at a given junction must be equal to your incoming current and outgoing current. Okay. That means at any junction, the total incoming current must be equal to your total outgoing current, isn't it? Like say this is a junction. From here there is a current which is been coming, and there is a current coming, and this is going like this. There is a current I1 coming, and here there is a current I2, and this one is your I3. So I can say that I3 must be equal to your I1 plus of your I2.
Yes.
Sum of your incoming currents must be equal to sum of your outgoing currents. Clear?
Yes.
And it is based upon what? Law of conservation of your charges. It is based upon your law of conservation of your charges part affiliation. The next one is about your KVL. Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's voltage law. What is the definition? Sum of your potential differences plus sum of your all the EMFs in a closed circuit must be equal to 0.
0. Yes.
Okay, no? Sum of your potential differences plus sum of all the EMFs in a given junction must be equal to your 0. Clear?
Yes.
Isn't it? Now, it is based upon what I told you? Law of conservation.
Law of conservation of energy.
Sorry, energy. It is based upon your law of conservation of your energy.
Yeah. Yes.
Isn't it? Next.
Sir, now, would it be mentioned in the question, like if the current is coming in or going out, sir?
No, he will be not mentioned. We need to understand from the given data.
Okay, yes, sir.
We need to understand it from the given data. Like say, for example, I'll give you a diagram like this. This is a junction. And say, for example, there is a current like this. There is a current in this resistance. There is a current like this. And there is a current like this. We'll just give you the right directions like this. Say, for example, this is your I1. And this one is, say, for example, I3. This one is, say, for example, I2. And this one is, say, for example, I4. Now, how do you write this one?
Sir, I2 plus I4 is equals to I3 plus I1, sir.
Yeah, so sum of incoming currents are what? I1
plus I3.
That must be equal to your I2 plus of your I4. Or else I can even write like this. I1 plus of your I3 plus this one is minus of your I2 plus minus of your I4 must be equal to 0. Okay, so what you do is you take incoming currents as positive beta.
Okay.
Incoming currents, you take it as positive. Then obviously outgoing currents, I'll take it as of your negative.
Negative, opposite.
Opposite. Okay, now?
Yes. Yes.
Now see the sign conventions for this one. Sign convention. See, if there is a cell, like this is a negative and this is a positive terminal beta, and there is a cell like this is EMF, okay, and you are traveling like this, okay, you are going from this point to this point.
Yes.
You're going from point A to your point B. So you are starting at negative terminal and ending at the positive terminal. So EMF will be equal to how much for me? You should be taking the EMF as positive. Okay, because you are going from negative to positive. You're going from negative to positive. If I'm going from positive to negative like this is positive, this is negative, and you are traveling like this. You are somewhere here and you are traveling in this one. Where you are ending better? Where you are ending higher to negative, lower. That means EMF will be equal to negative. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, sure. If there are resistors in the given circuit, like say, this is your resistor.
Yes.
This is a current flow, and you are moving in this direction. Current to go to other direction, I. This is a resistance R. If you're moving in the same direction, then potential will be equal to minus of I into R. Because you're going from higher to lower kabatti.
Okay.
Okay. Now in the same way, if I'm having the same resistance like this is positive, and this one is your negative. Okay.
Yes.
And you are going right now from this one like this, from here in this direction. This is a resistance R. Then for
Sir,
this
but how is that
potential,
possible, sir?
hmm?
On negative to positive, how is it
అంటే క్లోజ్
possible?
సర్క్యూట్ లో ఒకవేళ
Okay.
కరెంట్ అట్లా
Ah,
వచ్చింది
yes, yes.
ఒకవేళ ఓకే మూవింగ్ ఇన్
Okay.
ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ మీన్స్ యూఆర్ గోయింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ లోవర్ పొటెన్షియల్ టు హైయర్ పొటెన్షియల్ సో ఎట్
Right.
టైమ్ ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ ఫర్ మీ ప్లస్ ఐ ఇంటూ ఆర్
Sir,
ఓకే
so whichever side we are ending, if it positive end, I think we have to take
Positive.
positive.
Yeah.
Negative side end,
Blindly, you can
negative.
remember one thing. If you're going in the direction of current, positive. If you're
Okay,
going
sir.
opposite to direction of current, negative.
Negative.
Okay.
Yes.
Same direction of current will it up to positive. Opposite direction to the current, negative. I'm going right now in this direction. In the direction of
Yes.
current, negative to positive.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if there is a capacitors, sign convention for capacitors. Sometimes capacitors also comes into the play.
Yes.
This is a capacitor positive and this is a positive. This is plus Q, this is minus Q. And you are going like this. So what will be the potential? Minus of Q by C.
Yes, sir, because
Turning from
opposite
positive to
direction.
negative. Yeah. Now this is a capacitor here. Okay. This is your minus Q. This is your plus Q. And you are traveling like this. Isn't it? So what will be the potential? Plus Q by C.
Plus Q by C. Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
So you just move in the Cleveland circuit better. That will give me the sign convention. I'll explain you see. Like
Okay.
example, if you are taking, if there is a resistor like this, positive terminal, negative terminal, and there is a resistance, again negative terminal, positive terminal, again there is a resistance, this one terminal. This is your B and this is your A. This is your positive, this is negative, this is EMF E1, this is EMF E2, negative, positive. That is the value of your R1, this is the value of R2. Okay. And current is in this direction. This is the direction of your current. That is nothing but I. So this is a motion in which the current is been moving. So if I'm moving from A to B, so what I'm doing is move from A to B. Now tell me the sign convention. Come on.
Sir, E1 will be
Now
negative, sir.
start from A. When you're starting from A, means
A.
potentiality is VA.
Yes, sir.
Then
Sir, it will be negative minus IR. sir.
minus E1. Very good. It is minus E1.
E1.
The same
Yes.
direction current is going. So
Yes.
minus of I into R1.
R1.
Then battery negative to positive.
Sir, positive, sir. Plus E1, E2.
Again the same direction minus
Plus-
of your R2. Same direction gata. In the
Okay,
same
sir.
direction of current, negative. Opposite direction to the current, positive.
Okay. Positive. Yes.
So that will be equal to your VB.
VB. Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, now IR2 is there, right, sir?
Where is IR2? Yeah, IR2 is there.
Sir, can't we say from negative to positive? That's why it will be positive, sir.
No. In the same direction.
Only
A
the correct
to
direction
B,
of current.
A to B is in the same direction.
Yes, sir.
A to B it is in the same direction. So same direction of current, positive.
Positive.
Same direction.
Negative, yes, sir.
Opposite direction, positive.
Positive.
Okay,
Okay,
I'll
sir.
give you one more example. Now you tell me the answer to this. This is your battery like this. Negative, positive. And here there is some resistance. And here there is some resistance. Again, positive, negative. And here there is again some resistance. This is your R4. This one is your R2. And middle there is one resistance. Say for example R3. This is your R1. This is your E1. This one is E2. This one is your E3. Okay. Now,
Yes.
in that type of a situation, what we need to do is first we need to assume the direction of the current in the branch breaker. Any one cell you take and assume the direction of current.
So taking E1, sir.
Okay. Anywhere
So-
you can take the direction of the current and start going in the same direction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
నువ్వు ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు ప్రాబ్లం ఏమీ లేదు డైరెక్షన్ ఇఫ్ ద ఆన్సర్ కమ్స్ ఇన్ పాజిటివ్ యువర్ డైరెక్షన్ విల్ బి కరెక్ట్ ఇఫ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ కమింగ్ ఇన్ నెగటివ్ మీన్స్ యూ నీడ్ టు చేంజ్ ద డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ కరెంట్ దట్స్ ఇట్
Okay, sir.
okay this is positive terminal this is negative terminal negative positive positive negative part of relation clear
Yes, yes.
so what I'm doing is the way of I'm taking assume if I'm taking some current right now from this one say for example some I1 from this battery it is say for example I2 assume so what
Yes.
is the current in this one better what will be the current here right now I1 plus I2 because
Yes,
it is the junction it is coming. So in
Yes,
this one,
sir.
it is I1 plus I2. Again, it will come to the junction. Again, here I1 will go back like this.
Yes,
And here in this one, there will be a current of your I2 like this,
I2, yes.
isn't it? So there is a flow of a current from this one. This will be equal to I2. This one is also your I2.
Yes,
Okay, right? Okay. Now
Yes.
I'm giving some naming for this one. Say this is your A, this is your B, this is your C, this is your D, this is your E, and this is your F. Now to move from A to D, I'm moving from your A to D. Moving from your A to D. First one is I can take the path from A to B, B to C, C to D. Can I go like that?
Yes.
So if I'm going like that, can you tell me potential?
Sir,
A, the potential is VA.
VA,
A to B, negative terminal, minus
opposite
of your
direction.
E1.
Yes, sir.
Then B to C, plus of your E2. C to D. C to D.
C to D,
I'm going from C to D. Current is opposite to me.
positive, sir.
Positive, very good. I2 into your R4.
Yes, sir.
So that will be equal to VD.
VD. Yes,
So
sir.
what is the other way I can go? I can take the path of
VB,
your
E.
A to B, B to E, E to D. I can even go like this.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the sign convention for this one. A to B,
Sir, VA
potential of your A minus of your
minus
E1.
E1.
Yeah.
Then
Same direction.
minus
E. Minus, very good.
minus
I1
I1
plus I2 into
into
R3.
R3. Yes, sir.
Then from E to D
Sir, minus
minus E3
E3. Yes, sir.
is equals to VD. Okay,
VD.
na?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the other path I can go better?
A,
I can
F,
go from
E,
A
D,
to
sir.
F, F to E, E to D. Can I go like that?
Yes, sir.
So if I'm going like this, at A potential is VA.
Yes, sir.
A to F, I'm moving opposite to direction of current.
Positive
So what current is moving here? I1.
IR.
So it
Yes,
is
sir.
I1. That means positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
Positive. So positive
I1,
I1, R1. F to E, nothing is there. We already took that one.
Yes,
How much
sir.
it is? Plus
Plus, yes, sir.
I1
Opposite
into
to direction.
R2.
Yes, sir.
So the resistance is different. Then from E to D,
Minus, sir. Minus
minus
E3.
of E3 is equals to VD.
VD.
Got an idea how to draw the sign?
Yes, sir. Yes. Got it.
Chinda,
Yes, sir. Yes.
should we do one problem?
Yes, sir.
This question. Find the potential difference between A and B. Okay, this is a given circuit. Positive terminal, negative terminal, and this is your battery. Again, positive terminal, negative terminal. Again, this is your resistance. Again, positive terminal, negative terminal. This is the terminal of your B. This is the terminal of your A. Current in this one is 5 ampere. This one is 15 volt. Resistance is 2 ohms. This one is 6 ohms. This one is 10 volt. This one is 5 volt. Okay. So now I need the potential difference between A and B. Now tell me the directions better.
Sir, current is flowing from
Move from where? A to B.
A to B, sir.
So at A the potential is VA.
VA
Then minus
minus
of
5 amps, sir.
15 పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్ ఇక్కడ కరెంట్ ఉంది కానీ రెసిస్టెన్స్ లేదు కదా ఏం రాయలేము
Okay. Yes, sir.
సో దెన్ బ్యాటరీ ఇస్ కమింగ్ ఐఎమ్ ఎండింగ్ at నెగిటివ్ టెర్మినల్ కాబట్టి -15
Minus 15.
again in this
Yes.
one current will be equal to 5 amperes. In
Yes,
this
sir.
one also current is 5 amperes. Here also your 5 amperes. So from negative terminal to positive terminal, current is in the same direction. So same
Yes, sir.
direction means 5 into 2.
Yes, sir.
So I'm ending again from positive to negative. That means
Minus
-10.
2, sir.
Same
Yes,
direction. So it is minus of 5
Minus
into 6.
5 to 6.
Then the terminal of the
Minus
battery,
5.
positive, negative, -5 is equals to VB.
VB. Yes, sir.
VA -15, -10, -10, minus 5 6 are
30, sir.
30, -5 is equals to VB. Isn't it? So how much I'm getting?
Minus 15, minus 10, minus 25, 25 minus 10, minus 30, minus 30, minus 30. minus,
Everything is addition only kada.
minus 65, sir.
Minus 15 plus minus 10 plus minus 10 minus 30 minus 5.
Minus 65, sir.
Etla?
Because VA is
Minus
VA
15
minus
minus 10 25 35 35 plus 35 70
35 plus 35. Yes, sir. 70, sir.
70 volts. So VA minus VB will be equal to 70 volts. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sure. One more question chepidana.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Say for example, a circuit has a section AB. Okay,
Yes, sir.
as shown. If VA minus VB is equals to 12 volt. My question is find current I. This is a given diagram. There is a resistance, negative terminal, positive terminal. Then again a resistance, negative terminal, positive terminal. This is the terminal of your B. This is your terminal of your A. This is your 3 ohms. This is 5 volt. This is your 10 volt. This is your 6 ohms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Current is 5 amperes. So what is asking in the problem? Current has a
He's
section of
asking
AB.
current, sir.
Current has a section of your AB. A circuit has a section AB. If VA minus VB is 12 volt, find the current. So
Yes,
move
sir.
from A to B. Move from A to B. Now tell me how do you move? VA.
Sir, VA
Hmm.
minus I into R, sir. I into
3
3.
into I.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
మళ్ళీ ప్లస్ సార్ ఇప్పుడు
Yeah, plus.
ప్లస్ 5 ప్లస్ 5
Yeah, plus 5.
then again minus 6i, sir.
Same direction, minus 6I.
Again plus 10, sir.
Again plus 10 is equals to VB.
VB, sir.
అంతేనా?
అవును సార్.
చూడు ఇదంతా వస్తుంది ఏమన్నా చెప్తావా ఇప్పుడు?
సార్ minus 3 minus 6.
Minus of VB. Then this is minus plus 10. That means it will be plus 15.
So
Minus
plus 15
minus 6I. That will be equal to
minus
9.
9i. Yes.
Minus
Yes,
9 I వెళ్ళిపోతే minus I అయిపోతుంది.
yes, sir.
VA
9i.
minus VB is given how much in the problem? 12.
12, sir.
12 plus 15 is equals to 9I. 12 plus 15 is how much?
27. Sir.
27. That is equals to 9 into I.
I is equals to
9 ones
3,
are
sir.
9, 3s are. That
3
means
sir.
I is equals to 3 amperes.
Yes, sir.
Got
Got
an
it,
idea?
sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the way how do we do the problems related to that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sure. Next one. So same direction of a current పోతే positive, opposite direction లో పోతే negative.
Negative. Yes.
Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Let us try to do one more problem. Find the current I. Giving circuit like this. There is one resistor like this. One resistor like this. Positive, negative. Resistor like this. One resistor like this. Positive, negative. This is 1 ohm. This is your 2 ohm. This is 1 ohm. This is 2 ohm. Potential is 3 volt. This one is 9 volt. So some current is flowing from this one. This is I. Come on, try to do. Close loop kabatti.
Yes, sir.
KVL. Apply KVL.
Yes, sir. Nice. Let's do. Sir, any points?
Any
Find
point?
current time from A to A, right, sir?
It to be closed circuit kabatti potential difference రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. When ending from negative to positive, that means this will be equal to 3. Same direction
Yes,
kabatti I into your 2.
Yes,
Same
sir.
current is flowing everywhere. This is also I. This is also I. This is also your I. Positive, negative.
Yes,
This
sir.
is also your I. So this will be equal to your plus I into
Minus.
Same direction go. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
minus 2 into your I. దాని తర్వాత minus 9.
-9.
Then minus of your 1 into your I. అంతేనా?
Sir, అక్కడ okay, ఇక్కడ yes, sir.
I into resistance is 1.
Yes.
That must be equal to how much?
Zeros. Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So this one is 3 minus of 2I minus of I minus of 2I minus 9 minus I is equals to 0. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So 3 minus 2I minus I minus 2I minus 9 minus I is equals to 0. So now this one plus 9 minus 9. And then the minus 6.
-6. Yes, sir.
Then
అవును, sir.
I minus 3I minus 2I minus this one.
-5.
Minus 2I as this is 3I. This one is minus 3I. That means minus 6I.
Okay, 400 -6.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So 2I, 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 I. Antena?
Yes, sir.
So minus 6I will be equal to, this will become for me how much?
6i, sir.
6I. That means 6 and 6 will get cancelled. So I will be equal to how much?
-1.
Minus 1 ampere.
Yes.
Achinda?
వచ్చింది, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir. Got it, sir.
ఇంకోటి చెప్పానా చాలా?
I'll do, sir. ఒక్కటి చెప్పిస్తారా, సార్? నేను ఓన్గా చేస్తాను, సార్.
నువ్వు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటావు కొన్ని?
అదే సార్, మీరు ఒక్కటి ఇస్తే నేను ఓన్గా చేస్తాను, సార్.
ఒకటి ఇస్తాను, ఒకటి ట్రై చేయి.
Yes.
Find current through each of 2 ohm and 1 ohm using KVL. This is the resistance. This is your resistance. And positive terminal, negative terminal. This is 6 volt. This is 2 ohm. This is 1. Go from any one direction.
Yes, sir.
Chopper equation at Raila.
Sir, minus.
I'm starting from here.
Yes, sir. So minus 2i.
Itla A, B.
Okay, like that. Yes.
B. Chop.
Sir,
to B,
plus 6.
Plus 6. Very good.
Yes.
Okay.
Minus.
B to C, nothing is there.
Yes, sir. B to C, nothing is there. C to D, minus 2i.
2i.
D to A again, minus I, sir.
Minus I into 1. Minus I is equals to 0.
Yes. 0. Yes, sir.
So this will how much? 6 minus 2i minus I is equals to 0. So 6 minus 2i minus I is nothing but 3i.
I is equals to 2, sir.
So 6 is equals to 3i. 3 ones are 3 twos are.
2,
That means I is equals to how much?
2, sir.
2 amperes.
Got it, sir.
What an idea?
Yes, sir. Got it. Done, sir. Got it, sir.
Is it?
Done, sir. Got it, sir.
Need loss of question అడిగచ్చు. This is a neat question. The potential difference VA minus VB between the points A and B in given figure. Okay.
Yes.
Diagram is something like this. Positive, negative. This is your VP. This is your VA. Current is I is equals to 2 amperes. 2 ohms, positive, negative. 3 volts. This is your 1 ohm. Options are 9 volts, minus 3 volts, plus 3 volts. And fourth one is plus 6 volts. This was been asked in 2016 AIPMT. Right? Potential difference between VA minus VB.
Yes, sir. Doing it, sir. Sir, VA minus VB is equals to 9, sir.
9,
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. 9 volts. VA minus VB is equals to how much beta?
Sir, we'll get VA minus 2 into 2,
This one is VA minus same direction kabatti 2 into 2
2 into 2,
minus 3
minus 3,
minus
minus 2 into 1, sir.
is equals
Yes.
to VB.
Yes, sir.
VA minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 is equals to VB. So it is VA minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is equals to VB. Antena?
Yes, sir.
So VA minus VB will be equal to 9. Any problem?
No, sir. Got it, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Power కూడా ఉందా ఈసారి?
No, sir. Power late, sir. Only Kirchhoff's laws, Wheatstone bridge, meter bridge, potentiometer, sir. Yeah, yes, sir. Power part is also there, sir.
Is there a
Yes, sir.
next one. Concept of meter bridge? Or it is also known as slide wire bridge. Okay.
Yes.
See, for this type of questions, you need to remember the diagram better. Meter bridge is based on the principle of Wheatstone bridge.
Yes.
Based
Sir,
on
first, Wheatstone also can we do, sir, until later?
Wheatstone bridge now such a person. See, if there are 4 resistors like this,
Yes,
in
sir.
this one there is one resistance, and here there is one resistance, and here there is one resistance, and here there is one resistance. Okay, this is
Yes.
P, this is Q, this is R, and this is S, and middle there is a galvanometer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if the current through the galvanometer is 0 beta, okay, in
Yes,
balanced
sir.
condition I can say that in balanced condition P by Q must be equal to R by S, provided
Okay, sir.
current through galvanometer is 0.
0.
If current through the middle resistance is 0, then middle resistor will become ineffective. P by Q is equals to R by S, or else we can even write P by R is equals to Q by S. Anything is fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the use of the meter bridge, beta? You see, meter bridge is used for number 1, to measure unknown resistance. To measure unknown resistance. That is the first use of the meter bridge. Second use of this one is to compare two unknown resistance. Compare two unknown resistance. Okay.
Yes.
Sure. See, the basic diagram to draw this one is, you take an L-shaped structure here right now like this. It is made up of copper strip.
Yes.
In middle there is one more strip like this. Again there is a gap here right now. Again this strip. This is the way first you need to draw.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and this is a totally a
Copper.
copper wire.
Copper. Yes.
Okay, now what you do is, in between these two, fix a meter wire like this. Okay, and there will be a galvanometer somewhere here. This galvanometer is shifted to this one, and this will be connected to this one like this. Okay, and
Yes.
here we are connecting some resistance. This one is known as resistance box,
Okay, sir.
RB. Resistance box. That means known resistance is known in this one.
Okay, sir.
And here we are connecting an unknown resistance.
Okay, we have to find out this.
Yeah, this one is your unknown resistance. This one is known as of your right gap.
Okay, sir.
This one is known as left gap. Okay. Now, the terminal of this one is connected to one positive terminal, one negative terminal. Okay, and this one is
Yes.
connected to somewhere, right? Like this. Okay, from
Yes.
here there is a flow of current I, and the current comes here. It will break down into two parts. Better. So one current will go in this one, another one current from this wire. From this wire, it will go in this one, in this one. Again, it will connect to this one right now. This is connected to the point B. Again, this current will go through this one, again this one, again this current like this, again it will go back like this. Negative to positive. Okay. J
Yes.
is your galvanometer. This is 100 centimeters. That means this is 0 and this one is your 100 centimeters.
Okay, sir.
This is your
Okay, that means 1 meter, sir.
yeah. J is nothing but what for me? Jockey.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, what is jockey, sir?
Jockey is a needle or slider which
Okay.
can go from 0 to 100 centimeter anywhere.
Okay, sir.
0, this one is 10, this one is 20, this one is 30, this one is 40, this one is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100.
Yes.
1 meter wire. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters
100%.
like this. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
This is some terminal, but I'm giving the name for this one. This is your A. This terminal is B. This terminal is your C. And at the point of jockey where it is slider, this point is nothing but of your D.
Okay.
Something like this only. This is the point of your A. This is your B. This is your C. And this is your D. Between A to B, one resistance is there. Between A to B, what is the resistance? Can you tell me? A to B, there is a resistance box.
Yes, sir.
B to C, there is unknown
No,
resistance.
this is unknown. Yes.
Then from A to D, there is a length, like say some L1. The remaining length will be 100 minus L1.
Yes.
Because 100 centimeters, no?
Sir.
Between A and D, sorry, B and D. What is B and D, beta? Between B and D, there is a galvanometer. Here,
Galvanometers.
B and D galvanometer,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Now, if I compare this one with the Wheatstone bridge, this will be some point here. So, in between this, there will be a galvanometer. This point is what for me right now? T. This one is right now B.
B, sir.
Somewhere this one is A, this one is B, and this one is C. Here there is a resistance.
No,
Here there is a resistance. Here there is a resistance. And here there is a resistance. Okay. So this one is
Yes.
R, this one is S. So this is your length right now. Okay. A to D, what will be the length, beta? Can you see here?
L1, sir.
A to D.
Yes, sir.
Resistance of the wire A to D will be equal to. Okay. How much meter we are taking, beta? 1 meter wire, na?
1 meter. Yes.
1 meter wire. So in 1 meter wire, resistance is resistance per unit length is equals to, say for example, some R ohms.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then for resistance AD, that will become how much for me, beta? L into your R. You take
Yes, sir. Length into R.
this one is also your R. Resistance of the wire D to C will be equal to how much for me, beta?
100
minus L into the Dani resistance R.
Yes.
Okay, na? That means from A to B, the length is resistance is LR, and here it is 100 minus L into your R. Now in balanced condition, in the balanced condition, P by
R by S.
is equals to R by S. P
Yes.
is nothing but how much for me here? R.
R.
Place of your Q.
S, sir. I mean Q, S, sir.
It is your S.
Yes, sir.
That is equals to in the place of R. in the
L
place
by LR, sir.
LR here. L into R divided by 100 minus L into your R. This R will
Yes.
get cancelled. isn't it?
Okay.
So
Yes.
I can write here R. What is unknown resistance beta for me? S na?
Yes.
S is unknown resistance. So S will be equal to how much for me beta? S is equals to R into 100 minus L divided by your
Divided by
LR,
LR.
your
L.
unknown
Yes.
resistance. Okay, na?
Yes.
Just go through it once better, the diagram. So what is a Wheatstone bridge? You just go through that.
Yes. So now separately on Wheatstone also we'll get problems, right, sir? Wheatstone.
Yes, beta?
Separately on Wheatstone bridge also we'll get problems, right, sir?
Wheatstone bridge? Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, beta.
Yes, got it, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Sir, so until R will be given, sir, and length also will be given, sir.
Yeah, depend upon what he is giving అనేది మనం చూసుకోవాలి అది ప్రాబ్లం లో.
Okay, sir. Until known resistance, right, sir, that he'll give.
Yeah. I'll give you one question so you'll get an idea.
Yes.
Before that, let me give you one small wording here, beta. What do you mean by shunt? Shunt means a small resistance connected in parallel. Okay?
Yes.
Small resistance connected in parallel to given circuit is called shunt. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
So shunt is only there in parallel circuits.
Yeah, that means for a given wire, if anything is connected, whenever shunt means ఇచ్చిన wire కి ఇంకో resistance connect చేయడం.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See here. Question is current through galvanometer is 0. I need to calculate the value of the unknown resistor. Unknown resistor capital R. This is your L shape, and here there is some wire. This, and here there is one resistance like this, and here there is some resistance like this, and a wire is connected between them like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A galvanometer in between.
Yeah.
And this is connected to battery, positive, negative, like this. And this length from here to here is given as 200 centimeter, 20 centimeters.
Yes, sir. So that is 180 centimeters.
The 20
Or, sorry, 80.
sorry, that means that will be equal to 80.
80, yes.
Okay. Now, see, current through galvanometer 0, we need to calculate the value of your unknown resistance. This one is given as 55 ohms, and this one is given as R.
Yes.
So what is the relation? R by S. What is R in the place of R? What I'm having?
55, sir.
55. Very good. That means this is your 55
Divided by R.
divided by that R must be equal to. 20 divided
LR.
100 minus 20. అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir. 20 divided by 80.
20 divided by 80. That means 2 ones are 2 fours are. That means this is 1 by 4. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
So R will be equal to how much for me?
220, sir.
Into 4. 5 fours are 20. 0, 2. 5 fours are 20, 21, 22. 220.
220, sir. Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Got it, sir.
Chalo. One more question. The meter bridge wire has a resistance of 0.1 ohm per centimeter. Okay. The value of unknown resistance. The value of unknown resistance X and the current drawn from the battery. Of negligible resistance is. Okay. This is a given diagram. This is one resistor here. There is one more resistor here. And there is a potentiometer wire like this. This is your galvanometer. This is connected. అర్థమైపోతుంది కదా?
Yes, sir.
Point A and point B. This is your X and this one is your now 6 ohm.
Yes.
This is connected to positive and negative terminal of your battery. This balancing length, what I am taking is right now here 40 centimeters. So
Okay.
the remaining will be your,
60, sir. 100 minus 40.
isn't it? And the battery is of your 5 volts. I'll give the options 6 ohm, comma 5 amp. Second option is your right now 10 ohms, comma 0.1 amp. Third one is your 4 ohms, comma 1.0 amp. And fourth one is your 12 ohm, comma 0.5 amp.
Sir, this is from right to left, sir. And yeah, but R by S only we have to take, right, sir? R by S is equals to.
Yeah, same condition. And
So X by 6.
X ఉంది కదా?
Yes, sir. X by 6 is
Divided
equals
by
to.
6. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
Divided by 40 by 60. This will
Sir,
become,
X is equals to 4, sir.
that's it,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So this one is how much for me? 2 by 3.
4 ohms.
3
Yes,
ones,
sir.
3 twos are. So X will be equal to 4 ohms.
Yes, sir.
X is equal to 4 ohms. దేంట్లో ఉంది? ఇది.
Third option. Yes.
What is asking right now? Current. I is equals to V by R.
V by R. Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So V by
5
R.
by.
Let me draw this diagram. So this one is one resistance. This one is one resistance. And there is a resistance of middle one and the
So that is negligible on the.
wire has a resistance of 0.1 ohm, 0.0.
Okay, 0.1.
అంటే 100 centimeter ki 0.1 అంటే here the resistance will become how much for me?
10.
10. అంటే this one is
Yes.
4, this one is 6, this will be 10 కదా? This
10,
is
yes.
the battery. 4 and 6 are in which combination?
Series, sir. So 6 plus 4, 10.
Pine 10.
So 100 by 20.
Positive, negative. Why 100 beta? 10 and 10 are parallel kabatti.
R1, R2 by R1 plus R2.
Parallel kabatti 10 by 2, 5.
Okay. అదే సార్ 100. నేను కూడా అదే చేశాను సార్. అంటే R1, R2 divided by.
And this will be equal to how much for me? 5 divided by 5. And that will be equal to 1 amp. What an idea?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Oh, no, sir. Got it, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sure. So could you try to do right now some problems based on potentiometer and as well as of your Kirchhoff laws? Morning.
Yes, sir.
Morning. We'll start with your potentiometer today.
Okay, sir. Sir, రేపు మార్నింగ్ నుంచేనా sir? Or can we start from